If you've ever missed an important deadline or meeting because you simply forgot, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you step by step how to add event reminders directly inside Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up reminders so you and your whole team never get caught off guard by upcoming events again. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head to the left side pane in your Confluence workspace. Take a look over there, you'll find something called calendars. This is where everything begins. If you don't immediately see calendars, don't worry. Sometimes it's nested under apps or you may need to scroll a tiny bit. Once you've found it, click to open up your team's scheduling hub. Think of this as your command center for planning and tracking group happenings. Now, with the calendar open, we want to access its settings. For that, look for the three small dots, the More Options menu. This usually shows up in the corner or along the top edge of the calendar view. Go ahead and click on those dots and from the drop-down pick Edit. This might feel a little hidden, but it's where all the customization magic lives. Editing the calendar gives you access to the behind-the-scenes options for fine-tuning how your events and reminders will work. Next up, you'll see an area called Event Types. Every calendar has different event types, meetings, deadlines, launches, whatever suits your needs. Now focus on the event type you want to add a reminder for. Hover over it and you'll notice a small pencil icon popping up. Give that pencil a click. This is like opening the toolbox for that specific event type, letting you tweak all sorts of details. Here comes the star of the show, the reminder itself. Inside this edit screen, you'll spot an option to set a reminder. Here, you can choose exactly how early you want to get notified. Maybe 30 minutes before the start time is perfect for you, or maybe you want a 1-hour heads up to prep. Just type in your desired lead time and hit save. This is seriously important. The reminder is what makes sure last-minute surprises don't sneak up on you or your teammates. But what if you have multiple types of events that need reminders? Not a problem. Repeat the editing process for each event type that matters to you. It might feel repetitive, but it ensures every critical occasion has its own personal nudge. Once you've made all your changes, look for an OK or Save button, click it to save everything. That's how your adjustments stick and start working their magic going forward. And that's it. You've now set up customized event reminders in Confluence, just like outlined in the official Atlassian support article. You can relax a bit, knowing you've future-proofed your calendar and helped keep the whole team on track. If you ever want to make changes, simply hop back into these settings and adjust as your needs evolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Every like helps others find these tips too. Have any Confluence questions or calendar issues? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want to keep leveling up your productivity with more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.